Let's discuss life processes, transportation in plant and animals. In this context, we are going to discuss about xylem and phloem, kidney, nephron, and dialysis. Transportation in plants. In plants, transportations of materials like food, water, and minerals takes place through conducting tissues called xylem and phloem. Xylem transports of waters and minerals from the roots to all parts of the plant. It consists of xylem vessels and tracheids. Water and minerals enters the roots by diffusions. Then, due to the transpirations, the suction force helps in the upward movement of water and minerals. And the diagram showing the xylems and the conductions of waters from the roots to the stems and to the leaves by the suction force is given below. And this is the structures of xylems showing its different types. Then comes to the phloems. Phloem transports food from leaves to the other parts of the plant. This process is called translocation. The phloem consists of sheath tubes and companion cells. Food from the leaves is transferred to the xylem by the energy of ATP molecules. Due to osmotic pressures, water enters the phloem and helps in the transports of food. And the structures of phloems are given below. And this is the structures of phloem showing its different types. Then excretion. Excretion is a process by which the waste products produced during metabolic activities is removed from the body. In unicellular organisms, the waste products are removed from the cells into the surrounding by diffusion. In multicellular organisms, the waste products are removed through specialized organs. Excretory system in human beings. Excretion in human beings. The excretory system consists of a pair of kidneys, a pair of ureters, urinary bladder, and urethra. Each kidney has a number of excretory units called nephron. This is kidney having two pair of kidney, two pair of ureter, bladder, and urethra. And this is the human kidney anatomy, external and internal view. This is the ureter, and this diagram is the urinary bladder, and this is the excretory systems. Nephron. Each nephron has a cup-like structure called Bowman's capsule, containing a bundles of capillaries called glomerulus. The Bowman's capsule leads into the tubular structures which joins into the collecting duct. The renal arteries brings the nitrogenous waste like ammonia, urea, uric acid, that is the urine, along with excess water, salts, etc. into the nephron. It filters the nitrogenous waste, water and salts which passes through the tubulary structures into the collecting duct. The waste then passes through the ureters into the urinary bladder and is then sent out through the urethra as urine. The useful products like the amino acids, glucose, salts, etc. are reabsorbed by the capillaries around the tubular structures and goes into the renal vein. This is the structures of nephrons, and this is also structures of nephrons showing the Bowman's capsule. Excretion in plant. In the plants, the gaseous waste products produced during respirations, that is carbon dioxide, and photosynthesis, that is oxygens, are removed through the stomata. Excess water is removed through the stomata. This process is called transpirations. Some waste products are stored in the leaves and removed when the leaves dry and fall off. Some waste products are stored in the vacuoles. Some waste products like the gums and resins are stored in the old xylem cells. Some waste products are removed through the roots. And then dialysis. Dialysis is a treatment that filters and purifies the blood using a machine. This helps keep your fluid and electrolyte in balance when the kidney can't do their job. Dialysis has been used since 1940s to treat people with kidney problems. Dialysis is a procedure to remove waste products and excess fluids from the blood when the kidneys stop working properly. It often involves diverting blood to the machines to be cleaned. Normally, the kidneys filter the blood, removing harmful waste products and excess fluid and turning this into urine to be passed out of the body. Kidneys can become damaged from the physical injury or diseases like the diabetes, high blood pressures, or other disorders. High blood pressure and diabetes are the two common most causes of kidney failures. Kidney failures doesn't happen overnight. It is the end result of the gradual loss of kidney function. Why do I need dialysis? If your kidney are not working properly, for example, because you have advanced chronic kidney diseases called kidney failure, the kidneys may not be able to clean the blood properly. Waste products and fluids can build up the dangerous level in our body. Left untreated, this can cause a number of unpleasant symptoms and eventually be fatal. Dialysis filters out unwanted substance and fluid from the blood before this happens. How long will I need dialysis for? It depends. In some cases, kidney failure may be a temporary problem and dialysis can be stopped when your kidney recovers. But often someone with kidney failure will need a kidney transplant. It is not always possible to carry out kidney transplant straight away, so dialysis may be needed until a suitable donor kidney becomes available. If a kidney transplant is not suitable for you, for example, because you are not well enough to have a major problems, this is the dialysis process. Dialyzers are hollow fibers, artificial kidneys that contain thousands of tiny tubules that act as a semi-permeable membrane. The blood flows through the tubules while the solution, the dialysate, circulates around the tubules. The exchange of gases from the blood to the dialysate occurs through a semi-permeable membranes of the tubules. Directions of blood and dialysate flow in artificial kidney. The blood flows in one direction and dialysate flows in the opposite directions. This is the dialysis machines. Why is dialysis used? Properly functioning kidney prevents extra water, waste, and other impurities from accumulating in our body. They also help control blood pressure and regulate the levels of chemicals elements in the blood. These elements may include sodium and potassium. Our kidneys even active a form of vitamin D that improve the absorption of calcium. When our kidney cannot perform these functions due to disease or injury, dialysis can help the body running as normally as possible. Without dialysis, salt and other waste products will accumulate into the blood. However, dialysis is not cure for kidney disease or other problems affecting the kidney. Different treatment may be needed to address those common concerns.